is sad.
I'm sorry.
Look at it. It looks so sad.
That's because it's dead.
I can make it sadder. You want to see?
Crunch.
Very sad.
She killed it.
It's already dead. It's gone on to a better place. Wait.
Never mind.
It's gone on to a better.
And where would that place be?
Leaf heaven. Look, this one has holes in it.
Hey. Look at this one.
It's a big leaf.
Thing's as big as your head.
You can't see me. Ow.
I can.
The poor decrepit leaf. Look at what you did to it. Now it's sad. You made the leaf sad. It was a happy leaf. It had a good life, and then you wounded it.
That was random.
This one. Never mind. You fail.
Please tell me you heard that.
Yeah, I heard it. I don't know what it was.
Okay.
I don't know.
No, stop talking. That one of those sounds kind of sounded like I don't even know what kind of cat. That sounds like a monkey.
The monkeys that run my space and blisters sleeping. Look at the leaf.
She's being really random today. We saw 4 squirrels.
4 squirrels.
And she even got pictures of
7 total.
No, one of them. Yeah, we did see 7. No, we saw 8 total, didn't we?
No, we saw 3 yesterday.
I thought we saw 4.
No,
No, we crossed the road 4 times.
Yes.
Oh yeah, we crossed a major street in Greensboro 4 times. It was great. That's a bird.
Wait for it. It's like paper.
And what is she saying about me killing the leaf and making it all nasty and sad and decrepit? And
I brought it back to life. I think
it's actually still partially green.
That's what I said. That's what it's like. See, it's still got green on it. It's still a happy leaf. Come to me, Squirrely.
I see a squirrel.
Squirrely.
That makes 5. It's right there.
Where is that so far, Squirrely?
It's in there. I saw it. I know I did.
Come to me.
That bird is gonna drive me up the wall. Come with me. Oh!
I don't want to.
Nobody saw that.
What are you doing?
Walking. Oh wow, that felt funny. My head. Okay, stop crunching.
Yes, that's my phone in my purse. Yes. It wasn't in my pocket. It scared me.
Okay, I saw it.
Look at the...
Isn't that called morning glory?
bird.
Where? Where?
Hold on. I lost it.
Where?
It disappeared.